Hey everyone, it is Adam for RealHomeRecording.com, and I like to call this one the reverb glue trick. Alright, so I actually talked about this trick many years ago, but this platform, who shall go unnamed, decided to basically hide the video. So I'm remaking the video for 2018 because it's a really good trick. I actually recently tried it on a rap mix, and I didn't know if it was going to work or not because, it's not naturally acoustic instruments, but absolutely it did. So the trick is really simple. First, you want to find a plugin or a reverb that sounds natural, a realistic room. My preferred plugin for this is Exponential Audio Phoenix Verb. And by the way, I made the GUI very big just because I can. Another one I like is Waves IRL or Waves IR1. So here's what I do. I click on keyword and I find room, and then I click on preset, and I like most of the studio presets, and I'm not going to actually let you guys listen to this trick, but I'll just do Studio 5 for this tutorial. And then the final trick is this button right here, or this knob right here. You're going to reduce it to about 10%, maybe even 5%, depending on how dense your mix is. And then what you're going to do is play your mix. And by the way, this will go after basically everything except maybe your limiter. So this is actually more of a mastering tutorial. And then what you want to do is, as the mix is playing, slowly bring up this button until you can hear it and then back down a little bit. Because you don't want to hear the effect. You just want to make sure that whatever this plugin is doing, it's very, very subtle. So again, bring the knob up until you can hear the reverb, and then just back down a tiny bit, maybe 1 or 2%, and you're there. I don't know why this trick works, but from my understanding is it simulates what would have been a room mic for a band recording all in the same room, or microphone bleed from the other instruments. So basically it makes it so that all of the tracks in your mix share a common reverb, and for whatever reason it works. It's a trick of the ear, and like I said, I didn't know if it was going to work on an electronic type of mix, but it certainly did. So if your tracks don't sound like they're together for some reason, 2 tricks to try: the one I just told you about, and also mix bus compression. This has been Adam for RealHomeRecording.com. If you liked the video, hit the like button, definitely subscribe, and definitely, if you don't want to miss a single Real Home Recording video, send an email to news@realhomerecording.com. I will not share or sell your private information. That's just so you don't miss a single video, because this platform is getting weird about getting the message out there. Anyway, thanks again. See you in the next video.